are going to make fingers. I made 3 already, and this is the thumb. Thumb one is magic ring 8 and then 5 rounds, and this is all magic ring 8. This is 7 rounds up to here, and then do slip stitch 2 in the middle. So left here got 2 here, and here got 2 here. So there's 2 here stitch, here 2 here stitch. So I'm going to do the last one. I need to do the thumb, put one side, do the thumb. Magic ring, huh? This is chain, then do 8 single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then you pull the string. We put the marker. This is 1 round. Then you go around 7 rounds until you reach the 7th round, and now we'll show you how to join them. Now join them up, and must stuff in the cotton, and let's do the stitch. 1, 2, 3 slip stitch, and you put the next one here in, and then do the slip stitch. Came out there, then one more, 2, then slip stitch. Done. Now go around, single crochet all around. Do up to there, put the marker there. Make sure your marker is there so you will know the marker's there, and go 2 rounds. Now you just see this. From here I did the single crochet 6 already. Now we go for the next one here. The next one, there should be only 2. Be careful you don't do on the stitch part. Here 1 and then 2. And then go for the next one, will be 2 also. So be careful where you putting your, every time 2, and then the end here one will be 6. Okay, now 2 rounds ready. Do 2 single crochets, 2, and then we do the joining of the thumb. We do going to do 2 single crochets to join them. Take one here, and then the next one, I can't see, one here, and then yeah, this block. 2, one more, single crochet, go round. Now the fourth round is also all single crochet, should be 26. Here 1, here 2, and then this round should be 6 here. So don't stitch this one, and make sure you go to the next one here. So this round must be only 6, and then here all together. Round 5 is 3, go to 3, and then reduce, hook and reduce, like that. 3, go to 3 and then reduce, go to 3 and then reduce. Do this, how many times must do? 5 times. And the end there will be extra one, then just do single crochet there. You go and stuff in some cotton, but don't put too much, the hand will look fat. See, this one reduce ready, 1 here, and put the marker. Now next one is round 6. Round 6 is go to 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then reduce, hook and hook, reduce. Do this 3 times, and then round 7 is all single crochet. Round 8 is go to 4 single crochet first, one, 2, 3, 4, and then reduce, hook and hook, reduce. Do this 3 times around, and then round 9 to round 11 will be all single crochets. Round 12 is go to 4 single crochets, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then increase. Go 3 times around here, and then the next round will be all single crochet. Round 13 and 14 all single crochets. This is the last round. Last round is 42. Go 3. Okay. If it's loose, don't make it loose. Tighten up. 1, 2, 3, reduce. Do 3 times until you reach the thread. Count to here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6, you put the hand there and adjust it, and then you sew it. Make sure the thumb is up here. Don't sew it a different way. The thumb will be down, will be funny looking. So done my whole rabbit. Well, you can't stand properly. I need to put it. It's leaning against the iPad. My fingers are done. The leg is done. There. I didn't stuff more on cotton here, so it will be easy to move the hands. The leg, I'm not very sure. You stuff more or not? I don't know. Now I have to do the here is coat. The blue coat. That's what Peter Rabbit has. And do you see his mouth? I've done his mouth.